All right, y'all, we're still in the summertime, and I know a lot of y'all want the frontal look without the glue. Now, watch me install this glueless wig today on my cousin. She has psoriasis, so she still wants to be laid, but she has to be able to take this wig off at night. So let's get into it. On YouTube, it's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor for you guys. So sponsoring this video today, we have Nadula Hair. Now, I know y'all have heard that name on my channel plenty times because they are always sending me the fire high quality wigs, and today they sent me this lace closure curly unit. So as I mentioned before, this wig is absolutely perfect for my cousin because she has just a dry scalp. Like, I don't know how many of y'all experience dry scalp or psoriasis and things like that, but getting your hair braided or wearing wigs can really be annoying. So she told me, listen, I want to be cute, but I have to be able to take this wig off at night. And now let's get into this wig. So like I mentioned before, this is a glueless lace closure unit, and this wig is beautiful, okay? The curls are juicy and luscious, and it's just so soft and full. Like, y'all know I love me a full wig, okay? All right, so the hairline on the wig did come pre-customized, but I did have to bleach and do a little bit of plucking on it, but it wasn't like that thick, so it was easy to customize. Also, the lace is pretty light, so I'm using my Lace Tint Cream foundation from GalaxyGirlHair.com. Now, normally I would use my Lace Tint foams, but I'm trying something new today, and I'm testing out some products for you guys. And so far, I am loving these cream lace foundations. So with these lace tint foundations, you can apply them with a makeup brush directly to your lace or to your stocking cap so it matches your skin. All right, y'all, so I have one more secret. So, you know how people use Got To Be spray to attach their lace, you know, for temporary installs? That's what I'm using Pump It Up for right now. Now, it's funny because I thought the Got To Be spray was like literally made for wig installs, but it's definitely not. Like, it's for hair, you know, it's like a hairspray. It's like literally for hair. So, you know, creative stylists and stuff like that, they found a different use for it. So I'm like, Pump It Up is a really, really strong like hairspray. So I figured that if I can lay my baby hairs down with Pump It Up, I should be able to lay the lace down. And y'all, it works, okay? So if your local beauty supply store is selling the Got To Be spray for like $8, but the Pump It Up is like $3 and change, listen, no shade, but get the Pump It Up. All right, so right now I'm using my pink hot comb from GalaxyGirlHair.com to lay the edges, the hairline, and the whole top of this wig. Now, back in the day, I just used to put some foam on the top and comb it through, but I realized through watching other hairstylists that when you take the hot comb to the top of a curly wig, honey, it changes the whole vibe of the look. It makes it look really, really flat, really neat, and just fleeky. All right, so the baby hairs are laid. This wig is nice and flat and the curls are big and just popping. If y'all ever wondered, which companies are my favorite, yeah, I have a secret. Nadula is definitely one of them. So once again, thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video with this glueless lace closure curly unit. Now, if you guys want this exact wig from the video, I'm going to put all the information in the description below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Nadula.